In the editor mode, there are two options. First one is add and manage pages, and the second one is configure content elements. Let's check it now. So first of all, if you would like to read more about components, you can go to three dots and you can click on learn about components. It will open our knowledge base where you can find all the articles that we currently have. Let's close it now and let's check the components. So basically these are the components that you can edit. But instead of going them one by one, we will just show the important ones. For example, let's go to main navigation bar. So main navigation bar is this area. And let's click on bar, for example. So from here, you can change the background color. You click, and when you click out, it will just change it to the color you chose. And if you don't like it, you can easily change the color back to how it was. And you can also change the height of the area. You can make it a little bit bigger or smaller. Let's go back for now and let's check logo. So basically you can update your logo here, but first you need to delete it. Let's go back. And we also have links and buttons here. So basically you can configure all the links that you have. And if you want, you can add a hover like this one. Let's go back. So basically you can also change the ordered list and unordered list, and also you can update the links that you have on the pages itself. And you can also make changes on the images. You can add rounded corners or you can add stroke, and you can change the text. And if you want, you can also add a divider, and you can choose the style of the divider, and you can also choose the component margins as well.